All right, guys, I'm close to the phone so you can hear me. So I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking. I'm just going to demonstrate mostly. All right. And I want to make this clear. This is not a how-to channel. This is just a vlog of my life and how I am doing it. So you do it how you want to do it. I claim no responsibility for what you do as far as what I'm doing. I just want to make that clear. Okay. Yep. The van is not as clean and perfect as it used to be when it was new. I've done a lot of things to it, modified, and I'm continuing to make it worse and worse. And that's just the way it goes. I plan on living in this thing for the rest of my life, so it doesn't matter. I'm not too worried about it. So anyway, to the right, that was where I was originally going to put the air conditioner. And as you will see, the template does not accommodate it. It will not fit there very well. So that is where I'm probably going to be putting my Max Air fan. And I'm going to show you that right now. This is the template for the air conditioner. Max Air fan is 14 by 14. This is totally different. This is 12 by 16.25. Barely fits, but I would have to cut this out or take this off. So this is going to be better for the Max Air fan. It will fit here perfectly. This I know looks gross. It's just glue from the spray foam. So I'm going to put it right about here. This, I drew a line around this, like if you saw that from a previous video, so that when I take it off, I'm going to see where my parameters are. I guess it really doesn't matter. I was going to do this after I took this off, but I'm going to go ahead and do it right here. Now let me know if it's not even. That was a joke. It's not going to be perfect. The gaps, I'll just fill in the gaps with foam or weather stripping or something. Caulking, something to that effect. Whoops. I'm going to be painting this anyway, so these lines don't matter. Okay. Alrighty. That should do it. Voila! Can you see it? So I'm going to drill holes that are large enough to accommodate one of these wooden bits. So it's not going to require that big of a hole. I'll get a bit that's just a tiny bit bigger than that. Drill 4 holes. Cut this out. Make sure that the air conditioner fits. Once I make sure the air conditioner fits, I'll take this off, cut this out, paint it, and then I'll seal it and put the air conditioner in. So stay tuned. All right. Cut! All right, guys. I'm not gonna lie, it was very, very tedious. So the way that I am making sure that it fits is that I turned the unit upside down on the contraption that I had for 6 years. So the front is facing this, Yes, it's dirty. It needs to be cleaned out. I'm going to do that before I install it. Anyway, so it's facing down. So this is the way that the unit's going to fit inside of my window. This is the correct, this is towards the bottom on the outside. The unit's on the bottom because I can tell from the Frigidaire. So it is going to fit. That's all I need to know. It's going to fit. So the next step is to paint it. At least one coat. No, I'm going to do two or three coats. And then seal it, screw it back in, and then I will secure the unit using L brackets or whatever I come up with. Take a lot more than one coat. Why didn't you like 4 or 5? Clearly. All right, that's coat number 1. I've got one more can, so I'm probably going to have to buy a couple more cans. So that's probably going to be it for this video today, guys. I'll see you next week. I forgot to mention, I put the Reflectix up until this project is further along. I've got the appropriate amount of paint, so that will keep all the uglies out, and we'll see you next week.